Hi, I'm Laura Meikle. Welcome to my prenatal breastfeeding, chest feeding, and birth education channel. Whether you're expecting your first or subsequent child, this information can help you succeed at lactation. If you are a birth or lactation educator, you are welcome as well. You will find information here on how to prepare for lactation and how birth influences breastfeeding. The best time to start this education is in as early pregnancy as you can. However, at whatever point you're at jumping in, you will find very useful information. Definitely check out my website for my video course and publication. You can find my website address in the section below. Congratulations on your upcoming baby. Now let's jump into some tips that will help you. And don't forget that at any time, more detail can be found in my publications and my video course, Latch and Attach, on my website. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.